Hi, I'm Rebecca Vasquez and I'm a nurse practitioner from Brownsville, Texas. We signed up for IAPAM Symposium in June at the Scottsdale, Arizona location after searching a bunch of websites looking for something that would fulfill what we wanted to do and meet our expectations. This was one of the few that we found that also gave us CU credits. After our weekend there at IAPAM, it was a great opportunity to learn all the knowledge that we could possibly, even though we couldn't retain all of it, but it was a vast amount. We learned a lot, we had hands-on, and we also met a lot of great people from around the country that gave us an opportunity to network outside from our own small town. During the symposium, the aha moment came at the very last day. Once everything was put together, once all the dots were connected, I realized we were not as prepared as we thought we were, and realized we had a little bit more searching and preparing to do. But we were given such a great amount of resources that have helped us along the way. After the symposium, what has changed dramatically isn't just about seeing the aesthetics industry in a different perspective, but also being able to implement what we learned and taking that into a personal perspective, because we have to be able to understand and be ready to educate our patients, and we also have to be the face of our own business. For anybody contemplating on signing up for IAPAM, I would definitely say don't hesitate. Every dollar, every cent that's spent on it is well worth it. You leave with so much knowledge, so much introduction to technology, resources, and you also have people that reach out to you after the symposium to make sure that you have any questions, that they're there to support you and answer.